We will continue to do this. We will continue to run it up. We will continue to provide what you guys want. You know what I'm saying? Edutainment, you know what I'm saying? Education and entertainment, that's what I'm here for. I'm documenting my journey as I continue to grow, and I want to bring y'all with me so y'all can grow as well. Actually, there's really no reason for you to touch it. No cap, like you don't, because like there's not a cool enough pose that I can think about what you holding it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like what you gonna do? Just like, yeah, so like there's really no need, like, you know what I'm saying? What it do, fam? You already know the vibes, man. Today we're back at it again with Kay. It's a whole lot of gas, all right? Quite literally. What is up, you guys? We're back at it again.
Welcome back. It's Pre-Locate back again.
In that box. What is that? What the fuck is that? You guys have been asking a lot, like, what the hell is Kay doing? We've all been asking.
It gotta be a better way to get this cheese, huh? Dirty money, clean my problems, hit me if you need some. You could get it 2 for 10, got you if you need one. No coincidence, they only hit me when they need some. Your nigga wanna be a baller, can't be no rerun. Nigga, once it leave my hand, you can't get no refund. Tryna little boy, nigga, I might have to tweet some. Playing with them keys, I might fall around and delete some. Them niggas wanna be a shot caller until them shots call ya. A nigga only live once, so I might raw dog her. Stick it in the pelvis, gotta call me a father. Hot dog, Lizzie, always ready. And I wanna be that man, already am, I still go harder. Breaking trees through, I might put us in the charter. Bro, they brought a freak through it, turn out it's her daughter. Hey man, say man, free my nigga Richie, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her. It went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line, I told my brother, bring it in.
What it do, fam? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Today we have the lovely
Pre-Locate.
You guys are another vibes, man. We got Kay here again, once again. You guys have been loving the videos of us together, so we just gonna keep popping it back to 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 back. Okay. If you guys want to see the final photos of this shoot or any of the other shoots of the series that we did previously, it will be on Taxi PNG on Instagram or Pretty Little K _ on Instagram. Lil, not little, like as a TTLE. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Lil, like Lil, the new age Lil. And then KAY, and then there's an underscore, one underscore, not two, just one. And yeah, but man, we doing a little gas station shoot, man. It's a whole lot of gas. You already know the vibes, man.
Literally.
About to have a little bit of fun. This is a different looking. We did a shoot. The last episode that we did was inside of the gas station. We're doing one outside right now. This is like a different looking like gas pump, and I'm fucking with it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that because this is a diesel pump, so it looks crazy. The last person that spent money on here. They spent goddamn $113. You see what I'm saying? So like this is a different type of, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we about to go ahead and get straight into it. Then we're gonna do a little dance video for Kay as well. And yeah, it might be episode 3, so we'll see what the vibes is. But I love you guys, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's do it. So first thing I'm thinking is, man, I got my light. I got my 24-70 lens. It's a Sigma. And then I have my Sony a7S III. And then I have 2 of my Godox AD200 Pros to make one 400. It's with the ADB2 adapter. Everyone wondering, this is my everyday setup. This is a Godox ADB2 hooked up to 2 AD200s. The way that it works is you pull these back, you release them, and you can switch out the heads. So the regular AD200 Pro comes with regular flash heads that you can detach to adapt into the ADB2. So both of them come off just like so. And this ADB2 is just like this. So if you guys want to see what the front looks like, this is what the front looks like. And it also has detachable bulbs. Each of these bulbs come with your AD200 Pros in your pack and can also be used for the ADB2, like so, like so. And when shooting, you want to make sure that you turn both of them on and that they're both set to the same channel. See how this one's on B and this one is on A? I want both of them to be on A. Now I have both of them at A, which means that they will flash off at double the power. This was at 1 of 16. This was at 1 of 16. So basically, they both are shooting at 1/8 of a power. If you guys don't know this already, the lower the number, the higher the power. The higher the number, the lower the power. So let me know, is this a setup that you might use in your photography? And, yeah. If you guys seen my Instagram, you guys seen how I be using this thing to, you know what I'm saying, get right. The disrespect is insane. But I'm gonna have the light flashing off right here at an angle. I'm gonna be shooting this direction at her. So yeah, but I'm gonna have it up here. Make sure that both of your lights are on the same channel, you guys. I'm trying to make sure that both of them are on A. This is on B, this is on A. Changing the channel, making sure they're in manual mode. I have both of them on channel A, so that way they're giving the same amount of power. So turn your trigger on as well. Do a test shot real quick and see if it's too light or too dark, and then go up or down based off that. So I have it right now at 32 power flat. There we go, yeah. Oh yeah, it looks good. Ooh, ISO 100, you guys. ISO 100, f-stop 4.0, shutter speed 100. All right, let's see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. When his car move, it's gonna look so much fire. There you go. Hold it. I gotta go up on my F. I'm gonna go into F5. Oh yeah. Hold it. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. These are hard, y'all boys. Let me see. I want you to like put a foot up here. Maybe like put a foot up here and like arch it in forward like that. There we go. Yep. Gas station, big gas station vibes. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. These are gonna eat. There we go. Yep. There we go. Lean in. Exaggerate that lean. Yep. There we go. Hold. There you go. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. Don't move. I'll move my light so I can catch some of that front of her, y'all boys. Put it over me. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Look up and off that direction. Yep. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Get some more of this right here. Yes. Hold it. There you go. One more. Bet. I want you to like, so don't pay me no attention. So like you could like kind of like, you could do that again. You could look down, you could look back, you could, you know what I'm saying? But don't pay me no attention. You know what I'm saying? Yep, like that, yep. You're just swagging it. You're not paying me no attention. You're just swagging it out, yep. There we go. Don't move, hold it. Getting the hold scenery, y'all boys. There we go, hold it. Hold it. Ooh, now look at me, yes. Yeah. If y'all can see how I look like crazy as hell. This stance is insane. Oh my God, that was hard. That was hard. Hold on. Come on. What? The whole scenery. Come on, bro. This was gonna get us noticed doing different shit. The studio is fire and stuff, but it shows you really put effort into your life when you get the fuck out the studio. When you get out the studio and you really like, you know what I'm saying, put two things together, it really comes together, okay? I didn't bring no wet wipes or nothing. Actually, there's really no reason for you to touch it. No cap, like you don't, cause like there's not a cool enough pose that I can think about what you holding it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like what you gonna do, just like, yeah. So like there's really no need, like, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck was that? Bro, I was thinking about bowling when we was here, when we pulled it, I was like, bro, at the bowling alley? You gotta think about all the little places.
On top of our job.
Bro, because you gotta think about all of the what's it called? Like all of the little places. They'll probably let you do what you wanna do.
Yeah.
So like here, they're like, oh yeah, cool. But if it was a 7-Eleven, no, buddy, get the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? But that bowling alley, like probably family owned. So they might be like, yeah, come on in. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have her probably stand in the middle. Is this guy gonna like pump his gas or is he not gonna pump his gas? I'm gonna probably change angles. I kinda wanna like do it from this way and facing like pointing this way. Cause it kind of like from this direction, it looks like where are you at, right? Type shit. I kind of want you in that middle space right there. Yeah, like right there. Yep, just like that. Yep. I'm talking a lot more this video, so I'm not gonna have to edit as much. That's the best part about it. Let me see. Yep, there we go. Yep. Oh yeah, like that. Hold it. There we go. Yep. There we go. Yep. Tongue again. There we go. Yep. That was actually cool. Hold it. One more time. Yeah. Widen your stance more. Yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. The Hispanic in here about to come out, y'all boys. There you go. Yeah. Hold it. Yeah. Hold it. Right there, yeah. Make sure to let me know if you guys like videos like this, man. If you guys like us to continue going to different spaces, different places, and trying out new things and stretching the odds and pushing the limits and trespassing, LOL. If you guys like that type of vibe, let me know, okay? Because we will continue to do this. We will continue to run it up. We will continue to provide what you guys want. You know what I'm saying? Edutainment, you know what I'm saying? Education and entertainment, that's what I'm here for. I'm documenting my journey as I continue to grow, and I wanna bring y'all with me so y'all can grow as well. Because I'm at the same level that y'all are at, whether you know it or not. I'm just actually acting on the things that I said I was gonna do. So I need you guys to start acting on the things you said you're gonna do as well. Because we're all in this together, okay? We're all human, we can all do it. If I could do it, you guys could do it. So get up and create. It is the summertime. Whatever time it is with you, bro, it's a season and it's a day to be alive. We're alive the day we woke up, okay? So get out, create something, do something. You know what I'm saying? Invest your time into something that you want to see grow, okay? So all of that to say this, make sure to share this to a photographer, videographer, or a model that can find this information that's helpful, okay? I'm Taxi and I'm here to educate and entertain you through my daily life as a photographer. Until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah!
Say man, free my nigga Rich T, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?